Very good morning, friends. I'm Nalini Swami, welcoming to my channel Smart Index Edge. In my new indicator, that is Nalini Precision Engine, one more very interesting feature has been added, that is the screener table. On the settings, it picks up 6-hour buy and 6-hour sell. On the settings, by default, it comes to 6-hour. That you need to change to one day. You will get the stocks which are ready for the present day. Next day, you can keep it for your watch list and you can see also. And also, it helps you to identify what is happening on that stock. In this chart of Adani Ports, what we are seeing is a classic example of accumulation made simple using Nalini Precision Engine. This is my indicator. You can see I'm going to show you what is happening here. Initially, the structure was completely controlled by sellers. You can see 6-hour sell breakdown and it was completely controlled by sellers till now. See, it started from the month of February 27th till March Wednesday 18th March. There one interesting thing started, price making lower highs and lower lows, and we were continuously getting 6-hour sell. You can see 6-hour sell, lower highs, which clearly told that sellers were dominating the auction. But after some time, you can see over here in this period, after some period, something important started changing. This is like pop-ups, liquidity pop-up. One candle up, let me take this, like this, one candle up and one candle down. Like a roller coaster ride. The price starts making like this. You enter into the buy signal, but next day it continued to sell. And then a buyers come, sell. See, you can see from the 6-hour sell position, the sell is not continuing. It is alternating between the buy and sell, 6-hour sell. Now, instead of continuing to fall aggressively, prices started moving sideways. Now, this sideways movement is not random. This is where smart accumulation normally happens. So, you are seeing 6-hour buy and 6-hour sell. And now, finally, my screener table gave me yesterday. Today is holiday, Friday. These are the stocks popped up in my the screener table. Hindalco, Infosys, and Adani Ports. I picked up because it has given one day. One day. From one day back, it is giving you buy signal. We cannot confirm these two. This is a confirmation. Then I picked up the stock and went into the chart and I was seeing this typical behavior. And you can see the GAN Hilo prices moved in the 6-hour buy. Prices penetrated nowhere here. Penetrated through the GAN Hilo, crossed above and it was punished, closed inside. On Thursday, it made a low, trapping the liquidity. Let me zoom it. You can see the price has gone below this buyer's level and snapped the liquidity, and as this is a classical piercing pattern. Piercing candle formed over here, liquidity sweep and piercing to the mid of 50% of the previous day candle, and it is a strong reversal candle which has appeared on the chart. After repeated accumulation, repeated roller coaster ride, I find this stock which has given me through the screener table. It becomes easy with the screener table. This is another feature which has been added in my Nalini Precision Engine. So the people who have bought this indicator, access this indicator, they need to change the setting signal time frame to from 6 hour to 1 day. You can change it to weekly, monthly, even 3 weeks, and 1 month also. You will get to see some stocks if you are on the daily time frame. If you give for monthly, so few stocks will come which are on the sell side, or few stocks may pop up when they are on the buy side. If this stock has to pop up on the buy side, it has to cross the monthly high. Here, it has to cross. Now at present, it is showing some sort of significant price action, and it becomes classical accumulation pattern to understand and track the stocks very easily. This is how you can go for it, and you can track for the stocks very easily. This is called as base building phase. It has made base building since 18th March till today. Today is April 2nd, and it is showing some sort of pop up, and you are catching the stock before it blasts out. This is how you can analyze the stock, and it makes easy for you to locate accumulation and distribution. Same thing, same pattern repeated over here. When it made a top, you can see the price has moved. You are seeing 6 hour sell, 6 hour buy, 6 hour sell and 6 hour buy, 6 hour sell and 6 hour buy, repeated pattern. And when the price dropped below, this is the first candle, 6 hour sell candle, indicated weakness. This was not a buy, this was a distribution phase, what was happening in the Adani Ports on 27th February. This was the trigger, final trigger candle, 6 hour sell. You can see 3 to 4 6 hour sell compared to 6 hour buy, 3 buy. And you saw that it is a gap down, retest, and finally it has moved down. Now the same thing, it has come down and it has started accumulation phase. It may start moving higher. This is the correct phase. You can track this stock like this. You can track for swing trade for few days, or you can track for your option trade also. Let me go to the my option EP table and see strike price 1400. Let us go to the hourly and see it has been bullish EP has been triggered on 25th at March. Bearish EP, there is no bearish EP. 1392 and 25th. Okay, it has been 25th, it has been triggered at 1388. Right, friends? The level it is giving 1392. Okay. Let me mark this is the bullish EP has been triggered and roller coaster ride is happening. See how many days it has taken. 25th March. Now, if it crossed this level, again it is making an attempt to cross this level. After the bullish EP pullback and it made an higher high and again it is trying. This is a classical example of this stock. You can consider this EP has been triggered once it starts trading above 1392. Yesterday it has closed around 1377. Monday, if it starts moving higher, you can consider in this stock. It may not be a very easy run because the market conditions are not right. It may start moving one candle up, one candle down. You can look for swing trade in this month, April month. You can consider this stock. So let us see, this is how you can analyze the stocks from the screen at table. It becomes easy. You need not go and click on each and every stock to see what has happened over here. This becomes easy for you people. This is a simple thing you can get to track in the stocks. Let us keep this, all of you can keep Adani Ports in your watch list and track the 1400 call option simultaneously. 1400 call option. 1400 call option. Let us put the EP over here. EP has been triggered on 25,015. It has given 56 rupees 95 paise. The level is 56 rupees 95 paise. So this is the level. Okay. If I see the level 46, the price is running at 46 rupees. It has crossed. Let us check the simultaneously 1400 put option. It has given EP on 57 rupees 65 paise. So when price put option price started crossing below 57 rupees 65 paise, the call option 1400 will start rising. So these are the reference points you can use and keep it in your watch list. Let me go to my quarantine list and let me put option as well as the call option and Adani Ports is in my watch list. So I have put all these three and I'm going to track. Even you can track and see what happens to this. What happens to this, and you can track it. So by tracking it becomes so easy with the indicator. You can make out on daily accumulation has started. Let me hide the indicator. You can see the price action over here. It was a buy, came down, buy, to, and this is surpassing this seller. And it has popped higher high, higher low. Higher high and higher low. You can see higher low. Even in the red candle, higher low. This low has not gone below this and it is higher high, change of structure, and it is a piercing candle. So if we consider this, we can anticipate for, since it has broken above, you can consider the movement 1.618 to 2.618. First initial target will be 1445. You can keep 1400 call option, little bit 1440 call option on your watch list. And let us go to the EP signal for this. Let me go to the 15 minutes and apply EP. EP is not giving any. Yeah, let me go there. There is no table is coming over here because it has not picked up. Let me go to the 5 minutes. Let us see whether it has picked up. No volume is there. That's why it has not picked up anything. Probably we can keep it in our watch list. Can keep it in our watch list. Or volume has not come into this out of the money strike, and you need to wait. At one point of time, when it crosses this call option crosses, as mentioned in the EP, when it falls, put option falls below 57, then volume comes in this out of the money call option too. For that, you need to wait. Yes, friends, this is how. Let me go back to the chart of, let me remove the drawings and let me be on the daily time frame. So remember to change the time frame to daily so that you will get stocks. This is how you can spot it. Let us check Infosys, because before closing, I'll do Infosys because its results are coming. We will analyze what is happening in the Infosys. It's an outside bar formed on the Infosys. It is just a pattern it has created, not the classical accumulation pattern. 6-hour buy and 6-hour sell. So this is the latest sell over here. That is, the high made on this stock was 1,318, 1,321. Let us put a line over there, and now 6-hour buy, and it has not made a structural change. Still it is lower high. We have to, this is the first day, it is giving 6-hour buy and continuation. From the 6-hour buy, it is continuation. From 1264, it has come down to, it has closed around 1,300. And if it crosses this level, 1,321, you can keep an alert on the stock. Not here, 1,321. Add an alert and you can keep it and watch it. Once it crosses this level, we can see already trend has flipped on the daily. You can see the trend flip in this. This is an early sign. It has started moving higher. You can keep Infosys because its results are there. Earnings results are there on 16th April. 16th April means we will be coming to the next week, I believe. Today is 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th. So next week, earnings are there. It is preparing for the earnings. You can catch the earnings move before the earnings. Sometimes market price, they push it higher before the earnings. You can watch the stock and Hindalco also, you can keep it and you can track the stock. This is how my indicator Nalini Precision Engine helps you to identify the stocks too. So if you want this indicator, you need to message me, WhatsApp me on this number. This is paid indicator. If you WhatsApp me, you will get the details. This indicator is for lifetime access, lifetime, not any monthly or any yearly or uh, so it is for lifetime. It is so you will be it comes to you with this is a priceless indicator. It is very good indicator. The whoever has taken my indicator has become profitable. It not only gives you signals, it teaches you. See, you are able to learn with the help of Adani Ports. You are able to learn the complicated bike of accumulation you are able to track with this. So it is a teacher too. It is a you can get trained with this indicator. Some important events you can concentrate and learn the like distribution and accumulation. This is a very important accumulation and distribution phases are very important. Even if you go for even if you go for the lower time frame, because market is fractal, you can identify the accumulation and distribution. These patterns you can go for seeing on the when the market halts, you could have tracked the accumulation and distribution on the stock, even in the options also too. Thank you very much, friends. Nalinakshi Swami signing off.